Hey, my name is Kathy Roberts, and I am the Tidy Tutor. I want to share with you something that I just discovered about decluttering, how it could be done in such a way that is so freaking fun. And it actually makes you want to do it, and it happens quickly and easily. Now, I just discovered this. I just started a dream life challenge that I did with my inner circle people. In a nutshell, it's your dream life called, and it's presenting itself to you, but you have to be ready to go. A lot of times our stuff is holding us back and we can't go. We can't take advantage of that opportunity. So we're saying, wait a minute, this dream life that called, I have some time. I have some time and I'll be able to move into this dream life of mine. But I've got to get the house cleaned up. I've got to get my stuff in order for me to be able to move into that dream life. You have 30 days to get ready. Now, when we did it in our inner circle call, when that's my community to have, Tidy Tutor Inner Circle. If you're interested in being part of this, just go in the description or somewhere on this page and you can click and find out about it and be a part of it. Okay. Inside that group, what we did was we decided individually, do you want it to be 30-day deadline, 60-day deadline, or 90-day deadline? So everybody decided. But this is the thing that they did in their own mind, and I did in my own mind too, where we said, okay, so you have this many days. And I chose 30 days. Some people chose 60 and some chose 90. And so they have to now decide, how am I going to do this? So what did they do? They call me, Kathy Roberts, the Tidy Tutor, and they say, okay, here's the deal. My dream life called. Help me get this done. And I say, I can absolutely help you with that. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose how many days we have to work on this every day so that we will get the work done in that amount of time. So I chose 30 days. So in my world, if I have 9 rooms, then 3 rooms a day would get me done with the whole house, and I'll have 3 days to spare. And we want the days to spare. We want a few days to spare. So that's what happened, right? That's what we did. And here's why I'm doing this video for you today. I started doing it on Wednesday. When I'm recording this video, it's Friday. Okay. So on Wednesday, I did my bedroom. And then on Thursday, I finished my bedroom. Here's the thing. It was so easy to get through my things without any kind of like, no, I don't want to do that. Now you might be saying, well, you're the Tidy Tutor. Of course it's easy for you. We're the same. I never really want to do it. It's not fun or anything ever, but I do it. And you're right about the fact that I don't have a lot of stuff and things are pretty much in order as it is, but still going through what I went through in my room, each drawer, each closet, one closet, the dresser, and all of that, it was such a different feeling. I can't tell you how many empty drawers I have now. And here, wait, I have these pictures for this. The next room that I went into, and this is where I really got that feeling of, I have to do this video for people. You have got to declutter with this mentality, your dream life called. So I went into the bonus room. That was my next room to do. And there's a closet that I have not been wanting to do. We had a renovation and I just shoved stuff in there because everything had to go somewhere else where other work was being done in other rooms and stuff. And I sort of went through it once and then I knew I needed to, of course, make it all orderly and stuff and really decide where everything would go because everything didn't belong in that closet. And I just kept putting it off. I just didn't want to do it. And when I attacked it this time with this mentality, everything changed. I didn't feel 1 second of dread. It was actually fun and it was easy. Let me tell you, it is easy to get rid of stuff when you're thinking this stuff is holding me back from my dream life. Even though it's a fictitious dream life, it's still a life that we are living that we know that some things just can't happen because of certain things. And if you're in like my mindset, the way I think about things like spiritually, things hold us down and hold us back. And that a lot of times there's life that we want to live, but because of things that we're holding on to, doesn't allow us to move on with the life that we want. Even just certain goals that we're setting for ourselves. Holding on to some things can hinder us from achieving those goals. And so I really like to do things with an energetic kind of attitude and heart. And, I'm Christian. So for any of my Christian friends there, please don't think, oh no, here she is. It's like this new age kind of energy type stuff. No, listen, this is as old as time. We need to be good stewards. The Word of God says so. He also says, do everything decently and in order. This is just logic, right? We want more or we want better. Take care of what you have now. That just makes sense, doesn't it? So, this is what I'm telling you. It has changed how I went about doing what I've been doing since 1989. All right. We're talking about how many years? This is 2026 right now when I'm doing this video. So, what, 35 years? I've been working this program. I started with Sidetracked Home Executives, a book that I read, and I've been doing this for that long. Okay. And I've been the tidy tutor for 15 years. And I'm telling you that something switches in your brain when you start to declutter, thinking about your dream life. All of a sudden, it isn't about I should and I need to. It's about I want to, and this is for me. Just try it, okay? You'll see pictures here of the closet that I did and how just really simple it was, how easy it was. I got it done in no time. It was well under an hour. And that goes with putting everything in the other room. There is a pile of things that I didn't do anything with because it's in the I don't know what to do with it pile. So there's that. Okay. So anyway, thanks for being with me. And if you would like to be a part of my community inside of school, I have a 7-day free trial. You can check it out. It is so much fun and you deserve this. It's cancel anytime. There's no risk. I can't wait to get to know you. I hope I see you on the inside. And even if I don't, check out this way to declutter with this mindset and let me know how it worked for you. Okay? All right. I hope I see you on the inside.